Hey, and welcome to a new year in the Hugo Owens Band Program. My name is Matt Phillips. This will be my 17th year teaching in Chesapeake Public Schools and my 12th at Hugo Owens. I have a bachelor's degree from East Carolina and a master's from Old Dominion. I'm looking forward to having a more normal school year in the band program, and I'm glad that you're going to be a part of it.
Hi, I'm Laura Paquette. I'm the band director here at Hugo Owens along with Mr. Phillips. This is my 17th year of teaching. I've had 14 years here in Chesapeake, 2 in Matthews County, and 4 years here at Hugo Owens Middle School, and this is by far my favorite place to be. I love it here. I went to Florida State University, go Noles, and then VCU for my master's degree. Can't wait to start school with you guys. Here is what you can expect in 7th grade band. You will have band class every day for about 40 minutes, and you'll have increased playing opportunities based on your higher level of music performance. You'll have both a winter concert and a spring concert, and you'll have opportunities during the year to audition for some merit-based ensembles.
All right, required materials for 7th grade. We have 2 groups of materials, one that parents and students provide and one that the school will provide for you. You guys provide the instrument and the instrument-specific materials. You can find those on your open house document, a pencil, and a good attitude to learn. Also, as we near performances, performance attire will be provided by parent and student. All right, what we'll provide to you at the school level is we'll give you a folder, a warm-up book, your appropriate method book, all appropriate music and performance materials that you would need, and anybody that plays a specialty instrument, your French horn, tuba, oboe, bassoon, will be checked out an instrument from the school. As you know, last school year was very, very atypical. We had sections of 6th, 7th, and 8th grade that were all virtual, and we had ones that were in person, and we were 2 days a week. We were instructed by Chesapeake Public Schools to kind of keep compartmentalized between Mr. Phillips and Ms. Paquette. So she took woodwinds, and I took brass and percussion pretty much for the entire school year last year, and we did not cross paths. In a normal school year, we team teach a ton, and we keep things flexible. So we're in front of all of the students, and we pick by the week who we want to pull based on whatever they need, whether it be by a specific instrument group, whether it be kids that are preparing for an audition, or kids that may be struggling at a particular skill. We keep it flexible. So this year, you will see both of our faces a lot, even though your student will have a teacher of record. What this means is that we're just entering the grades, taking attendance, and are the email contact for your student. But your child will be taught by both Phillips and Paquette very much both throughout the school year. And don't forget about any additional information that you want to know about our band. Don't forget to visit www.hugoowensband.org. Also, at the end of this presentation, you can find both Mr. Phillips and Ms. Paquette email addresses in case you have any other inquiries. We look forward to seeing you on the first day of school.